Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to show you a quick way in adding images, logos or anything you need to add into your drawing page for future use. Let's get started. To quickly add any image in or your logo onto your drawing page, this can be simply done. You can either go into import your image in, or as I've got my logo on my desktop, I can just drag it onto my page, open this back up, get it to size of what I want, zoom in, so I'm happy with that. So I've got it to the size I need. What I can do now is just drag it over here into my stencils, give it a name, click out, click save. Now when I open any new drawing page, and obviously I've not done the preset through the Microsoft Visio on adding your logo in, I can just drag this in every time, and I can also save other things, like in my accessories I've got my tie points, I've got my additional information box, I can just drag that in whenever I need it, and I've also got my terms and conditions and my platform heights. It's as simple as that. So whatever you create within Designer regarding your title blocks or anything like that, you can just drag them into here, and whenever you open up a new drawing page, they'll all be available for you. I hope this helps. If you do like these videos, please stay tuned for more to come.